This is how you fertilize for growing huge garlic. Garlic is a heavy feeder and requires a lot of nutrients. From planting to harvest, it'll be in the ground for up to 9 months across all 4 seasons, and even if it's not actually growing the entire time, the best way to fertilize it is in phases. The first is when you prep the soil for fall planting. Adding a slow-release nutrient source of organic matter, like compost of manure or warm castings, will break down over the winter and feed healthy root up in the spring. Boost it even more by adding poultry manure pellets. When the garlic gets to 6 inches tall, it's time for a spring feeding high in nitrogen that will promote leaf growth. Liquid seaweeder, kelp concentrate can be watered in and absorbs quickly. Poultry manure or blood meals spread around the plants are also great. You'll want to repeat this every 3 weeks until the scapes form. The final step is giving the plant something high in potassium about 6 weeks before harvest. This will encourage the heads to swell to supersizes. Water in a homemade banana peel, compost tea, or use any fertilizer formulated for fruiting vegetables and flowers. Want more growing tips for your garlic? Comment garlic below and I'll send it to you.